In this instructional video, I'll guide you through the process of connecting your Google domains to your Shopify store. To begin, access your Shopify dashboard and navigate to Settings in the bottom left-hand corner. From there, select Domains. Initially, you'll only see the default domain provided by Shopify. Click on Connect Existing Domain and input your domain. For instance, if you're using Google Domains, go to your Google Domains dashboard, choose the desired domain, and copy it. Return to Shopify, type UW followed by a dot, and paste the rest of the domain, then click Next. Shopify will recognize that you're connecting a Google domain, and you can select Connect automatically. This will prompt you to log into your Google account and verify the connection. Once done, Shopify will handle the updates automatically. You can make this domain your primary one if desired. Keep in mind that it may take up to 24 hours for the DNS settings to fully propagate, but in some cases it can be up and running within minutes. Double check the domain spelling, and soon your Google domain will be seamlessly integrated with your Shopify store.